Hello class 9 students. Exercise 14.2. Today I will teach you question number 9. Look at the question from your textbook. A company manufactures car batteries of a particular type. The lives in years of 40 such batteries were recorded, and the data are given like this. Construct a group frequency distribution table for this data using class intervals of size 0.5 starting from the interval 2 to 2.5. So you are going to make group frequency distribution based on these numbers. One of the sample group is given 2 to 2.5 and class size should be maintained 0.5. So while answering this, first note down all the numbers. After that, first heading you can put life of batteries in years, then tally marks, then frequency. First group 2 to 2.5, followed by 2.5 to 3, 3 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4, 4 to 4.5, 4.5 up to 5. Because one of the sample group already given and class size they told us to maintain 0.5. Now tally marks and frequencies. As you know already, since it is exclusive distribution, last number should not be counted in the same group because this number is coming to the next group also. So here we should count 2 to 2.4. 2.5 will be counted in the next group. In this group up to 2.9 you can count. 3 should be counted here. 3 to 3.4 you can count in this group. 3.5 will be here. 3.5 to 3.9 you can count. 4 will be counted here. 4 to 4.4 you can count here. 4.5 will be here till 4.9. Then as you know that one number you should cross. 2.6 belongs to second group, you can put one tally. Next number is 3, cross out, belongs to third group, put one tally. 3.7 belongs to this group, put one tally. 3.2 belongs to this group, another tally. 2.2 belongs to first group, one tally. Like that one number you will cross and one tally you will put. If 5 gets over, 4 will be vertical, fifth one should cross each other because in a tally marks there is a group of 5 sticks where 4 will be vertical and fifth one should cross. Then one group will be completed. If many more are there, then again continue. By this way you can get the frequencies. I hope you can do it. First group frequency I got it 2, second group 6, third group 14, next 11, next 4, next 3. Total came out 40. Even in the question also the lives in years of 40 such batteries are given. So total frequency also came out 40. With this question, exercise 14.2 gets over. Then I'll teach you 14.4. After completion of that, we'll come back to 14.3, which is your graph. In 14.4, you'll be learning mean, median, mode. This mean, median, mode, they are the measures of central tendency. Central tendency means for finding the middlemost observation, just like average you can say. So mean, median, mode, all are coming under central tendency. These are the measures of central tendency. And in class 9, whatever you will learn, mean, median, mode, that is for ungrouped distribution. Now first formula let me tell you about mean. For mean we have two formulas. First one, basic general formula. Mean x bar is equal to sum of all the observations by number of observations. Since we are talking about ungrouped distribution, all the distribution should be added on the top. Divide by how many numbers are there you can count and you can divide. So this is the basic general formula for finding mean for ungrouped distribution. That is, mean x bar is equal to sum of all the observations by number of observations. But while calculating mean, every time we cannot write this full word. So you can use the symbol. Mean normally you can mark by x bar. Sum of all the observations you can put this symbol, that is sigma xi divided by capital N for number of observations. This symbol sigma is known as sum या total. That means sigma can be used only for finding sum या total. Xi meaning, since so many observations will be there, x1, x2, x3, x4 like that. So in general we are taking xi. That's the formula you can prepare by this way. Mean x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. That's the first formula. Now for finding mean, we have one more formula. If frequency is available in the question, then mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. In this method, at least 3 columns will be there, xi, fi, xi. This method is known as direct method also. In class 10 you will get that. But here for the time being, just remember as a formula, mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma means sum या total. This is a symbol for sigma. Now let me give you the formulas for median. While calculating median, first point you please remember, the data या number should be arranged either in ascending order या descending order. Mostly we will follow ascending, that is small to big. Second point, after arranging ascending order, you can mark by n, capital N, that is counting number. So how many data are there, how many numbers are available to you, count it and put it n equal to something. Now if you found after counting n becomes odd, then median formula is value of n plus 1 by 2 bracket th term. If n is odd, median formula value of n plus 1 by 2 th term. If n is even, then your formula will change a bit. Median is equal to value of n by 2th term plus value of n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. These are the formulas for median. One for odd number, one for even number. But make sure that data should be arranged. Numbers should be arranged. Normally we will go for ascending order. For mean, if you are not arranging also doesn't matter, but median you have to arrange the data. Then you can apply the formula by this way. Mind it, here whatever formulas I gave, that is for ungrouped distribution. Group distribution for mean, median, mode you will be learning in class 10. Now for the calculation of mode, remember that there is no formula for ungrouped distribution, but remember that an observation with a maximum frequency is called mode. An observation with a maximum frequency is called mode. So which number you have so many times in your list, you call by mode. Again another formula, mean x bar already you got it, sigma xi by n. Do the cross multiplication, sigma xi is equal to n x bar. Sigma xi means total, n is number of observations, x bar means mean. Suppose in the question number of observations and mean both are available, you are searching sum या total, then your formula you can use sigma xi is equal to n x bar. Now exercise 14.4, let me teach you first MCQ. A cricket player has a mean score of 50 runs in 4 innings. How many runs to be scored by the player in the 5th innings to raise the mean score by 5. MCQ. So mean runs in 4 innings, it is given 50. Get the total runs. Since one more question, do side work. 4 into 50, that is 200. Whenever mean is available, observation also available, multiply them, get the total. Now, they are asking how many runs to be scored by the player in the 5th innings to raise the mean by 5. That is, mean runs in 5 innings will be previous mean 50. Now, mean score will raise by 5, so it becomes 55. That is, mean runs in 5 innings. Therefore, total runs 5 into 55 you can multiply, that is 275. This is the total for 4 numbers. This is the total for 5 numbers. If you will subtract these two, 275 minus 200, you can get the runs scored by the player in 5th innings. So after subtraction you are getting 75. So right option is C, 75. That is 14.4 MCQ first question. With this, I will conclude today. Prepare very well and learn all the formulas properly. Bye.